Welcome to Gadgets Beast. Today we're diving into the world of watches. I have the best affordable automatic watches that are not only stylish and reliable, but also great investments. These 5 timepieces offer exceptional value and craftsmanship. Stay tuned as we explore these fantastic watches that combine affordability with high quality. Let's start with the Seiko Prospex Automatic Diver's Watch. The Seiko, often referred to as the Turtle, is a modern reissue of Seiko's iconic 6309 Diver's Watch from the 1970s. It features a robust 44.3mm stainless steel case with a cushion shape, which provides a comfortable fit on the wrist. Powered by Seiko's in-house 4R36 automatic movement, offering a 41-hour power reserve and the ability to be hand-wound. The watch includes a day-date display, unidirectional rotating bezel, screw-down crown, and 200-meter water resistance, making it suitable for diving. The dial features large, luminous hands and markers for excellent legibility in low-light conditions, and it comes with a durable rubber strap or stainless steel bracelet. Next up, we have Tissot L'Ocle Powermatic 80. Named after Tissot's home in the Swiss Jura Mountains, the L'Ocle Powermatic 80 is a beautifully crafted dress watch with a classic and elegant design. It has a 39.3mm stainless steel case and a see-through case back. Equipped with the Powermatic 80 movement, which provides an impressive 80-hour power reserve, significantly longer than most standard automatic watches. The watch features a date window at 3 o'clock, Roman numeral hour markers, and a textured guilloche dial. It is available with various dial colors and strap options, including stainless steel bracelets and leather straps. Our third pick is Orient Bambino version 4. The Orient Bambino is a favorite among watch enthusiasts for its vintage-inspired design and excellent value. The version 4 maintains the classic look with some modern updates. Powered by Orient's in-house F6922 automatic movement, which includes hacking, the second-hand stops when setting the time, and hand-winding capabilities. It features a date display at 3 o'clock and domed mineral crystal that adds to its retro charm. The 42mm case is available in various finishes, and the dial comes in several colors. It typically includes Dauphine hands and a variety of strap options. Now let's explore Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical. The Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical is a modern interpretation of Hamilton's military watches produced for the U.S. Army. It has a rugged 38mm stainless steel case and a manual winding movement. The watch is powered by the H50 hand winding movement, which offers an extended 80-hour power reserve. It features a simple, highly legible dial with 24-hour military time markings, luminous hands and markers, and a durable sapphire crystal. The watch is available with different dial and strap combinations, including NATO straps for a military-inspired look. Let's dive with our next timepiece, the Longines Hydro Conquest Automatic. The Longines Hydro Conquest is a sporty dive watch with a blend of elegance and functionality. It has a 41mm stainless steel case and a ceramic bezel for added durability. Powered by the L888 automatic movement, which is based on the ETA A31, L01, and offers a 64-hour power reserve. The watch includes a unidirectional rotating bezel, screw-down crown, and caseback, date window, and 300-meter water resistance. It features applied Arabic numerals and superluminova-coated hands and markers for excellent legibility. It is available with a stainless steel bracelet or rubber strap. These watches each offer a unique combination of style, functionality, and quality, making them excellent choices for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality automatic timepiece.